Hey guys, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another video. So this is going to be the Kindred Stamps Advent Calendar. I'm going to show you guys what I got. So this is the Advent Calendar that everyone gets, and it's filled with 24 days of absolute goodies. So haven't opened it yet. I actually ordered this when I was in the Bahamas in the middle of November. So excited about it, and I got it about a week ago. And it's been sitting in the hallway, and I'm finally going to open it because today is December 1st and it's day one. So I know that there are people there's a spoiler site over on Facebook if you guys want to see, what's coming ahead, or if you want to see if you want to get the Advent Calendar. I believe they still have some more available over at kindredstamps.com. So you can go ahead over and check it out and see if they have some. And there's if you're fans of the Kindred Stamps, I think it's Kindred Stamps Fan Club on Facebook, they have the site over there. It's not on the actual webpage. That's a different Facebook site for like spoilers. So anyway, let's get into it. So this is day one, this cute little candy cane. So I'm gonna push it out. Oh, how cute. It's a little girl stamp. I'm trying to see if you guys can see this. This is a little girl stamp, and she just looks like she's got a little dress on with her little pigtails, but this is super cute. So this is the stamp for day one. So you can probably look in, I can kind of see, but I'm trying to be really good. I'm actually going to be away for some of the days, so I'm not sure if I'm going to open them all before I go or if I kind of just will wait until I get back and see what it is. So the one thing that I do know that's in here is there is a full, I think it's a 4x6 stamp set in here. So they said there's candy, goodies, stamps, things like that. So this is super adorable. So this is day one of the Kindred Stamps Advent Calendar. It's a little girl stamp, so cute. So she's dressed in her little dress. So I will have to use these. I'm probably gonna do some projects with the whole Advent calendar, and since these don't have like a sticky back to them, or they don't have like actual packaging, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with them. But for now, I will put this to the side in my bin, and we'll have to do something with it. So that's what day one is. Hopefully, I will be able to wait and open them all at like what day it is throughout the month, but we'll see. We'll see how that works out. I am working on the day, I think we stopped at day 5 right now on the Christmas card countdown, which means that I have a lot to make up for, and it's going to be a short week for me. So I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can tonight. I have 2 aprons and a onesie to do for my last craft show that I have to get done this week. So I will be working on those as well, and those will not be part of the 25 Days of Christmas projects. So I will be doing a lot of crafting stuff this weekend. At Sunday night, I had my nieces over today, my nieces and my sisters and my mom, and we made Christmas cookies. So total creative mode today. So thank you guys so much for watching the day one unboxing of the Kindred Stamps Advent Calendar. If you guys are interested in buying the calendar, you can go over to kindredstamps.com, check it out, and I think they still have some available. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye!